Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Instagram and install it on your Android devices. So the process is very much simple for Android devices. So first of all, we make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on your Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Here we go. Then at the top, at the search bar, just click on this search bar and type for the Instagram, and once you locate the app, just click on this Instagram app, and here beside the app you can see the option of install. Just click on this install option. So now it is going to be installed and it will take some seconds. Just wait for it. That's it, your Instagram app has been installed. So it will scan, it is on scanning process. So in order to open this app, just go back, and here you can simply tap on this open option, and that's it. You will enter on your Instagram. You can simply add your username or you can sign up to your Instagram account. So hope this video helped you to download the app, and before you go, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated. So thank you for watching this video.